They have produced a number of reports that Bangladesh became a mafia state. Under the Sheikh Hasina regime, there are some mafia people. Then they already looted the country. They already take all the money from inside, from outside, and they have transferred their money to tax havens like White Island and other islands. They have purchased hundreds of thousands of property inside United Kingdom by their laundered money. Land Minister had purchased more than 300 property only in the London. So everything must be investigated. And Tulip Siddiq MP, she's the niece of Sheikh Hasina. We have described everything and we have given all the details to all the parliamentarians yesterday. So Tulip Siddiq already apologized her substandard behavior. What she did, she already apologized for her hidden secret wealth. But this is not enough. As a Labour government, new government need to establish transparency and honesty and dignity. Mr. Prime Minister, you sacked this lady, you sacked this minister because he is holding billions of property and by black money. Because last 10 years she has no job. She was a private assistant of a member of parliament and her salary was below that. How she can hold $4 billion property? How her mother is staying in a property that is worth of $3 billion pound and she is paying only £4 rent?
Shame!
Everyone knows what is what, who is who. And the property was bought by black money. It is already Bloomberg reported. Bloomberg reported and it became international story. So we want our city, London, safe from black money and dirty people. We want to see our parliament free from dirty guys. Tulip Siddiq, she is the fellow of Vladimir Putin, who is the symbol of Hitler. She is doing genocide in Ukraine. He already with ICC warrant. So Putin, Sheikh Hasina and Tulip Siddiqui all are spotted by the international laws. We want investigation against Tulip Siddiq and during the investigation she must be out of the cabinet and out of the parliament.
Yay!
Because she can disrupt the investigation because it is monetary matter. He's saying the money, the black asset, the black money can do anything dirty in this city. We want our city neat and clean. We want our government neat and clean. We want our parliament neat and clean. So, summary of this protest, we are protesting everywhere. From London, community already called upon the Bangladesh community living worldwide. 15 million Bangladeshi, they are every day crying for Bangladesh. They are chanting their voices for Bangladesh. This is SOS Bangladesh. So please calm down, not only by lip service, stop any type of support to law enforcement agencies. We are called upon United Kingdom, United States of America and United Nations because government is using UN vehicles against the innocent people. They are using UN vehicles against the people. They are using army and border guards against the people. They are taking young people from their homes. They are killing like birds. So this is the time for action, not for statement. This is time for action, not for only lip service. We are announcing another program. Every day there are a lot of programs is going on. Whole community is outside of home. They will not go back to home. Towards Bangladesh will not free. We will get back our country back to our hands. We will get back. We will take back Bangladesh in our nation, in our people's hands. Inshallah. 29th of July in this parliament. there will be a whole session organized by Global Bangladeshis Alliance for Human Rights, GBHR, for this organization. And it was called upon, it was sponsored by Rupa Haq MP. Rupa Haq and other 18 members, today they have launched already a day motion. Day motion, maybe some MPs will speak, maybe it will be 10 minutes or 15 minutes. But we are requesting this very honorable, very respectable 19 MPs, please make a full motion as the speaker can allocate 2 hours full session on Bangladesh. Bangladesh is dying. Bangladesh is under repression. Bangladesh is just on blood. So, British Parliament can rescue Bangladesh because SOS. And 2 hour session is very important because we are frustrated on the statement of David Lammy. No violence, no politics. It is war-like situation. So we want a full session. Our beloved MPs, please wake up. Please wake up and make a petition to Speaker, 30 plus MP, so that we will get a full session. We want you to discuss whole thing and then we will get a resolution. We will get step in. Because British High Commission is not safe. American Embassy is not safe. Like Bangladeshi people. 3% of world population is not safe. So we can't just paying our gratitude and we are paying just our solidarity by a statement. This is time for action. So we are requesting, it is our earnest request. Please organize 30 plus MP to organize a full session. And we are requesting all our beloved MPs to join on 29th, Monday, 7 p.m. in any committee room that will be allocated for the hearing on SOS Bangladesh. We are requesting Bangladesh High Commission, the diaspora, the caucus, Bangladesh caucus, they are also requesting Bangladesh High Commission to send the government voice. Why they make Bangladesh start and disconnect from Bangladesh worldwide. So everything will be taking place in the hearing 9th of July. And we are requesting our brothers, sisters, our fellow British citizens, other countries, visitors, everybody, please express your solidarity to Bangladesh. And Bangladesh wants your support because that is the situation of SOS Bangladesh. SOS Bangladesh. Thank you very much for hearing us and to express your solidarity. Thank you. We will fight till to the independence back, till to get back Bangladesh in our hand. Thank you. Bangladesh, take back Bangladesh, take back Bangladesh, take back Bangladesh. Step down, step down. স্ট্রিটের সামনে একটা প্রোটেস্ট হচ্ছে স্টেপ ডাউন গিলার হাসিনা গিলার হাসিনা স্টেপ ডাউন স্টেপ ডাউন স্টেপ ডাউন স্টেপ ডাউন গিলার হাসিনা গিলার হাসিনা স্টেপ ডাউন স্টেপ ডাউন স্টেপ ডাউন স্টেপ ডাউন গিলার হাসিনা সবাই নিয়ে ছবি পাবো আমরা ওনার কাছে আমি সিমোনের ভিডিও দিব সেই অলরেডি আমাদের স্টেপ ডাউন স্টেপ ডাউন গিলার হাসিনা গিলার হাসিনা স্টেপ ডাউন স্টেপ ডাউন স্টেপ ডাউন স্টেপ ডাউন গিলার হাসিনা গিলার হাসিনা স্টেপ ডাউন স্টেপ ডাউন স্টেপ ডাউন স্টেপ ডাউন গিলার হাসিনা গিলার হাসিনা স্টেপ ডাউন স্টেপ ডাউন So this protest program finishing here. Hope so we will get back Bangladesh again and normal and peaceful situation. So goodbye from British Parliament in London.
from her team.
Thank you. Thank you. Some of our human rights defenders present here. Mr. Shami and there is a black flag. We are protesting because Bangladesh is passing an era. Bangladesh government is killing people inside country, and they disconnect the country from the world because they don't want to know the world, know their atrocities and act against humanity. So their crimes against humanity is doing by Bangladesh Awami League government. It is now in international media. It is now documented in everywhere. So genocide, crimes against humanity doing by Sheikh Hasina and the aunt of Tulip Siddiq. Tulip Siddiq, she is the fellow of Putin, Vladimir Putin. Putin and Sheikh Hasina, Tulip Siddiq family, they established a atomic base power station by $120 billion. And at the same time, the same capacity power station did by Indian government by only $20 billion. So $100 billion they stole it from Bangladeshi people's money, taxpayers' money. So Tulip Siddiq MP, who is now a minister assigned by Keir Starmer, we are requesting Keir Starmer government to start a detailed investigation because she already hidden her wealth and her income, and she already broken her standards of ministers, rules of business. So what, as a British taxpayer, we want to know, government need to investigate Tulip Siddiq's hidden money. He must be resigned. Our resignation is our demand as British Bangladeshi, as a concerned people. We want our city a safe city in the world, not dirty city by dirty money. So Tulip Siddiq is holding some wealth, some income and getting millions of dollars property. Government doesn't know anything. Her mother is holding $3 million home, and she is showing she is rented there by 4 pound in a month. Shame. So everything is clear because Mr. Salman F. Rahman, he has bought this property by $3 million, around $3 million, and it was gifted to Rihanna, and Rihanna is living there, and only to misguide or only to create a fusion, she is showing that she is in rented property, and by renting property, she is showing only 4 pounds per month. So black money, commission from Putin, everything is very clear in front of the people. We are urging newly elected, heavily popular Keir Starmer government, if you want to make yourself clean and return clean, you must start the investigation on Tulip Siddiq and Sheikh Rihanna's property. And meantime, for transparency, Tulip should be out of cabinet, out of the ministry.
Yes.
Out of the parliament as well.
Yes.
It is financial investigation, and if she is in the cabinet and if she is in the parliament, so she will confuse the investigation process. She will misguide the investigation process. So it is very strong protest from the community, from the East London community, from the Newcastle community, from the Birmingham community, from the government need to clear their assets, and it is one of the big commitment of the Labour government. If Labour government want to keep their popularity, if they want to maintain their words and commitment, this is their acid test. This is their first acid test. Apology does not cover everything.
Yay!
Apology does not cover everything.
Yay!
Please listen, Mr. K. Starmer, take action against Tulip Siddiqui and prove your transparency and accountability.
Yay!
Otherwise, we will continue our protest and we will make the matter as an international issue. We are already struggling with economic issues by purchasing electricity and everything is gone up. Black money dominating this society, this country. Tory government failed to address these issues. Only for this reason, economy is struggling. So make everything neat and clean, control the price and control economy. Make
মানবাধিকার ইস্যুতে ইরানের যখন একজন নাজনীন জাগারি যখন ইমপ্রিজেন্ট হয়েছিল তখন সে হিউম্যান রাইটস অনেক ভয়েস রেজ করেছিল, কিন্তু বর্তমানে বাংলাদেশে 1000-এর উপরে লোক মারা গেছে। এই পর্যায়ে সে কি তার ভয়েস রেজ করবে কিনা এই বিষয়ে আমরা তার কাছে জানতে চাই, এবং আমরা যদি সে এই বিষয়ে উদ্যোগ না নেয় আমরা ব্রিটিশ পার্লামেন্টের কাছে এবং প্রাইম মিনিস্টারের কাছে আমরা করজোরে আবেদন জানাবো যাতে বাংলাদেশের বর্তমান পরিস্থিতিকে কাম ডাউন করার জন্য তারা যাতে যথাযথ ব্যবস্থা নেয়।
I think this is that Sheikh Hasina government is the terrorist government. This is Bangladesh. This is outside is the Jakarta student of this normal people. For everyone, I protest. This is Bangladesh. Is this government. This is for this organization for British government. For my country, Sheikh Hasina for this.
পর্যন্ত অব্যাহত থাকবে এবং আমরা এই গণহত্যার বিচারের জন্য বিশ্বব্যাপী আমরা জনমত গড়ে তুলছি এবং ইনশাআল্লাহ আমাদের এই ডায়াসপোরার যে সংগ্রাম সারা পৃথিবীব্যাপী চলছে বাংলাদেশ মুক্ত হওয়ার মধ্য দিয়ে বাংলাদেশে জাস্টিস অ্যান্ড ইকুয়ালিটি এস্টাবলিশ হবে, যেটি বাংলাদেশের মুক্তিযুদ্ধের এবং মূল দাবি ছিল। এটি হচ্ছে আজকে সারা পৃথিবীব্যাপী বাংলাদেশকে নিয়ে গভীর উদ্বেগ এবং সংগ্রামের মূল কারণ। এবং 1971 সালে লন্ডন থেকে যে সংগ্রাম প্রবাসীরা শুরু করেছিল সেদিন বিজয় হয়েছিল এবং ইনশাআল্লাহ এবারও বিপুলভাবে বিজয়ী হবে এবং বাংলাদেশে ইকুয়ালিটি অ্যান্ড জাস্টিস এস্টাবলিশ হবে। থ্যাংক ইউ।
We want to step down this government, step down Sheikh Hasina. Thank you all of you to come here. We will continue our protest in future.
বাংলাদেশের যে নারকীয় হত্যাযজ্ঞ তার প্রতিবাদে আমরা আজকে পার্লামেন্ট হাউসের সামনে দাঁড়িয়েছি। শেখ হাসিনা ক্ষমতাকে কুক্ষিগত করে রাখার জন্য যে নারকীয় হত্যাযজ্ঞ চালিয়েছে, একদিকে শেখ হাসিনা, অন্যদিকে সারা বাংলাদেশ জাতি, এই বাংলাদেশের জাতিকে সে চিন্তা করছে, ক্ষতিগ্রস্ত হচ্ছে বাংলাদেশের অর্থনীতি, ক্ষতিগ্রস্ত হচ্ছে বাংলাদেশের 18 কোটি মানুষের বেঁচে থাকার মৌলিক অধিকারগুলো। আমরা আজকে এখানে দাঁড়িয়েছি, আমরা বিশ্ববাসীর কাছে তুলে ধরতে চাইছি বাংলাদেশের যে হত্যা শেখ হাসিনা তার ক্ষমতাকে আঁকড়ে আছে এবং এখানে তার বোনের মেয়ে বাংলাদেশের সরকারের থেকে তারা যেভাবে হাজার হাজার কোটি টাকা দুর্নীতি করছে, তাদের আত্মীয় স্বজন পরিবেশে যারা আছে তারাও তুলে ধরতে চাই সরকার এবং তারা যাতে জবাবদিহির আওতায় তারা আসে। আমরা হত্যাকাণ্ডের নিন্দা জানাচ্ছি, হত্যাকাণ্ড বলতে আমরা যে দাবি জানাচ্ছি।
Requesting Mr. Solid Chowdhury for activist and very active leader of the community. And
thank you very much, Shamsul Alam Little Bhai. We are here to raise our concern as a British Bangladeshi on behalf of concerned British Bangladeshi. Would like to raise our concern as a Bangladeshi. We have got relatives in Bangkok. Last more than 3 days, Bangladesh is totally blackout. There is last 5 days, Bangladesh is totally blackout. There is no Wi-Fi connection. There is no telecommunication. We have got relatives there. You know, for more than 2 weeks, the faces of government, Hasina government, they are students and the normal general people as well, because they raise their